They've moved all the stuff down from the Acropolis and moved it down to this new Acropolis Museum. We were here before. It was an old museum that was up on the Acropolis site. But you can see they actually, when they built this, they excavated, and there's old Greek ruins in here. So this is built right on top of it. It's kind of interesting because a lot of the floors are made of glass, and you can see right down this old excavation site. So it's interesting that the art from the Acropolis is much better displayed here than it was before. So it's very nice displayed, very nice museum. It just opened in June of this year. You can see the Acropolis and the Parthenons right up there.
Okay, Captain Bob, what do you think?
Well, I think we're out of the harbor. We're headed south to Sunion, or Anchorage tonight. It's going to take us about 2.5 hours.
The weather is lovely.
Weather's lovely. We got, I guess, lighting those candles helped. We got good weather for the next 3 or 4 days.
Well, you lit some candles?
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, where?
At
the
the
church?
little,